Welcome to Pure Brazilian. We're going to take you through a step-by-step on how to complete our professional smoothing blowout using our Clear Reconstructor Solution. Step 1. Open the cuticle. Wash hair with Pure Brazilian Anti-Residue Shampoo Step 1 2 to 3 times. Hair should have a squeaky clean feeling. Focus on hairline, nape of the neck, and mid-shaft to end. Do not scrub the scalp. Step 2. Towel dry the hair, leaving it damp. Use a spray bottle of water if hair dries during the treatment before product is applied. Step 3. Measure Pure Brazilian Clear Solution into a color bowl. Start with 1/4 ounce or 7 grams. Add more if needed. Step 4. Divide hair into 4 sections. Step 5. Apply product section by section with a color brush starting from the nape of the neck. After applying, wait 45 to 60 minutes depending on hair texture. Wait 60 minutes for coarser, thicker hair and less time for more fine to medium hair. If hair is processed, blonde or red, leave on for only 20 minutes. Step 6. Rinse hair for 3 to 5 minutes until the water runs clear and there are no bubbles to wash away product residue. Step 7. Blow dry the hair 100%. Divide hair into 4 sections and blow dry with a round or paddle brush. Step 8. Again, section the hair into 4 sections. The flat iron's temperature should start at 300 degrees. Hair will shimmer and glisten in 2 or 3 passes, sometimes 4. This will seal the treatment into the cuticle for sleek, smooth, frizz-free, and healthy hair for up to 12 weeks. The more porous, damaged, or delicate the hair, the lower the temperature should be. Step 9. After the flat ironing step, rinse the hair for 3 to 5 minutes with only water until the water runs clear to wash away additional product residue. Apply Pure Brazilian Deep Conditioning Mask Step 3. Leave on 2 to 3 minutes, rinse, and style as usual. Your client is free to wash their hair anytime after they leave the salon and will have wonderful, smooth, silky, and healthy hair for an average of 4 months. Color service should be performed 1 week before the service. Thank you so much. We look forward to seeing your beautiful hair transformations. For more inspiration and to join our community, please be sure to follow us on social media.